guys, it's Jan from Jandle in the City. I wanted to come on and do a very quick video in regards to the price increase with Louis Vuitton. I know we had a price increase January of 2021. We just had another price increase on February the 23rd, last night at midnight. I don't know what's going on, why we need to have so many price increases, but if you want to hear what it's all about, keep on watching. Isn't this just what we need, guys? Another price increase with the prices coming up so high and the quality is not the way that it used to be. I know a lot of my vintage bags have thicker canvas on them. The newer ones are quite thin and they're not made as well, I've noticed in some of the pieces I have with the stitching. The three bags that I will be discussing today are the Nano Speedy, the Nano Noe, and the Petite Sac Plat. Those are the ones that have the increases as of last night. I will be giving it to you in US dollars and Canadian dollars. So the first bag we'll start off, guys, is the Nano Speedy. The original price on that one was $1,180 US dollars. The increased price on that one is now going to be $1,300 US dollars. The Nano Noe was also at $1,180 US dollars as of yesterday. That price increase has gone up to $1,300 US dollars. The other bag is Petite Sac Plat, and the original price on that one was $1,160. As of last night, the increase has gone up to $1,440 US dollars. Overall increases in US dollars, guys, for just these three popular items in canvas with a little bit of leather trim has come up 128 US dollars to 280 US dollars. And I'll tell you why in a moment. So the Nano Speedy in Canadian dollars was originally around $1,300. Its new increased price is $1,520. For the Nano Noe, the price was around $1,200 Canadian. That has come up also to $1,520. The Petite Sac Plat, that one, the original price was around $1,340. That one now has come up to, which is ridiculous, $1,670 Canadian dollars. The increase on these bags here in Canada and the US is 20 to 20+%. The other small item that has gone up in price that I've noticed is the mini Pachettes. Here in Canada, they used to go for 460 Canadian dollars. With the price increase, they're now at $515. I was on the line with a client services rep today that she informed me the reason the prices are increasing and will continue to increase is because of the cost of the materials for the canvas, the printing, and also the leather. She also told me another reason why it is increasing is because of the French currency. It has come up as well. So overall, she said anything that's made in France, it is going to be affected by the price increase. She had also mentioned to me, we got into conversation about small leather goods, if they are going to be on the list of increased items. She said, yes, there was a few that were coming up. Unfortunately, she told me her hands were tied, that she was not authorized to give me what items that would be on that increased list. We did talk about a few things. They're going to be the small leather goods. This is all that she would verify with me. So I will have an update for that for you guys on Friday coming up. So if you want to see what items are going to be on that increased list and by how much, please stay tuned. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button below and that notification bell, and you'll know when I've uploaded new videos and given you new information in regards to the increases at Louis Vuitton. So remember, guys, define your style, Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Till next time, have an amazing day. Bye-bye.